listen, Jack. Because if
No.
I win, no, listen. You have to listen. You have to listen. You tell me every time that you don't have lipstick and you don't have a pen. You don't have nothing, dude.
I'm a man.
You always
I
say
use,
that to punish
I use,
someone. No, listen. To
I
punish
use color.
me with lipstick, then you have to have lipstick that too. So
I'm
I
a
don't give
man.
a
I
shit.
will use color. Black color. I will use black color.
Where the hell is black color?
Last time I put my nose. Last
So
time.
do
You
you have
remember
it?
that? Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
MashaAllah. Hey.
But I don't have lipstick though. I don't have lipstick. To be honest.
Color. Green color. Red color.
Green? I don't use red lipstick. I don't use red lipstick.
Really? What do you use?
Bro, I never use red lipstick.
gabdhaha adduunka filter iyo lipstick wejigaada ku taabay ugu dhacbay. Wow! Oh my gosh.
Oh shit.
Oh my gosh. He's superhero. He's superhero.
I swear I don't have red lipstick. Guys, I don't use red lipstick.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dad ay ugu dambaysay in 1991 maanta isoo xasuusta geel man kala. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Whatever he say, he's
wata saac xoog weyn. Masha Allah maanta waa la soo xasuusta. Guuleedow saasaa kaa raba saaxib.
Bro, I don't use red lipstick. You have to come up with something else. I don't use red lipstick.
Emotional damage. What happened to you, sister? What happened to you? My word is sweet because she closed her eyes. My word is sweet. Emotional damage. I'm so gabdhaha cadaanka istinka dhigoy gabdhaha Soomaaliyeed maxaa u malaynay wallahi dartooda inay leeyahay wacdaa waan ka cabsanaa gabdhaha Soomaaliyeed hadda waxaan dhahay emotional damage erkay ka shidaadi emotional damage. I don't like to broke her face, this beautiful lady. I don't like it. This emotional damage. That's what he did, Gulet, not me. Gulet and Talab. Yeah, I'm sorry. Like yeah. I put the nose and something and red. Although I'm saying emotional damage.
But I don't have red lipstick. I don't use lipsticks.
What have do you?
Lip pen, I don't know.
Lipstick one. Okay, let me change the punishment. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, lipstick. And do you have Bakhuli? Something to cover. Another do you have Bakhuli?
What the hell is that? That's not even English.
The comb, the one you close
okay.
That
was not even English, yo.
It's English. It's native. Congolese English. Congolese. Made in Congolese. Another 4 is coming. Look, another 4. Another punishment. I told you your fun is weak. Your fun is sweet. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Catch like a ninja. No. Find maram haluda in Greece. Maram. Something like this.
Oh, this dude.
This
what
dude.
What can I use, yo?
Dude kabadi Firi mahallay. Close arway adiga mara raba mara. Close ani batas wa kasay. Blind blood. Close ani bo kasay darway. Piece of clothes. Yes, so kasa igray wallahi. Plant float. Scrap ujiga lagu dhaqanay bay wax soo qoraysa. Ha scarf. Do you have scarf? No. Ice.
Shut the hell up.
Ice. Your people and your fans can't save you. Oh my God, emotional damage. I don't close your eyes. And Please don't open your eyes. Ay, host. Open. Yes. I told you, you don't have people. Gaska mukayna balaboy. Ani
Can't
halka
see
mar aan
anything.
badiya. Where is you said I have a lot of fans. Allah.
Yeah, I never say that. Oh my god, you lie. Where the hell you lie?
Okay, challenge is coming. You can speak only. أنا خانة yes والله بالله ورفع عم يقتطر قولوا له يتلاب ويدي وطاين بس واي توسع وراح يصنع عوا دعوة يدي وحواي مبروك درت عرور أو تلم تالع كان استاجنا يدي كدعي هيا hey close pick your head up.
You see me, bro.
Oh, Ilan Kismay is coming. The one and only model girl in Somalia. تلابو وإيقوال تلابو حبيرة ولا قولت لا إله إلا الله بس I'm not that.
Oh, I can't see anything. Yo, I swear I haven't seen.
بس ساكلاب جعمله وكعروا ساكلاب جعمله وكعروا يا ساكلاب جعمله وكعروا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم بسم الله الرحمن 23K and 22 ugali and a pizza. It's not equal. Life is not balanced. Wow. Bismillah, camera da ila gadomi rabto wallahi billahi. She's using her phone. No. Don't cheat me, sister. Don't cheat me. Daday waxaan u sadade wallahi nak yeelayn.
How am I cheating?
Wallahi waa iska tira. Wallahi billahi tala. A living legend Talabo, a living legend too. Gulet, the both legends. My shoulder is complete. I'm so happy today. Extremely. Kabat badik zaide. Baldi ikari linta iskalisa baldi ikari. That 1991 you couldn't face it. So I was like, Allah. واخيرودي يوقتل براخيرودي خيه I don't use your phone ولا تضيع وعنوسه والله بالله يقتك ويجيغاس كتير يجيغاس كتير
I'm watching my friend's live, yo.
No, you are not watching. You are a thief. I know you well. اسكتر بركوات ترى
Oh my god.
بسم الله ابو جدي بي بسم الله بركت عمل إلهم وفرسة بركت عمل وقير غير جبار الله وعروكل دون كراي يا يسوقر دون كراي وين بركت عمل وفرسة دي لد بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طلاب هذا في قولة تنغ هذا في open your eyes look حقوي مليك الواخير قرح كديغلو قيرودي يسوقر لايف كديغلا يا دبدا تينا كاي سو baxday dub qurux كديغلو قيرودي هيا
Oh, I'm so sick and
this is our difference.
Bro, why you punish like this? Because then it's not fun.
It's kind of romantic. Look.
You too much, dude.
Hiya.
It's not even fun if you do it like this. Then I can't hide my people. I can't.
Too much. It's the kind of punishment. Too much. It's not the kind of punishment. Because when your funnies and manis see your beautiful face, they beat me. That's why I cover your face.
Anyway.
Hiya. Where is Mohammed? Where is Abdi? Where is Ubah? La ilaha illallah. Where is Fifi? Titi? Where is?
Happy video.
Where is Tadila? They are all already died.
Hey, this
هذا
dude.
ما intimate مس أنا
Oh my
أملاك
god.
هذا كسر. هذا انتهى. Okay, this punishment will be. I have a one punishment. Okay. Okay.
How? What's
Give me
the
50
punishment?
cents. The punishment is put the filter of Yoweri Museveni, the president of Uganda.
What the hell is that? Oh my god, I love that you're so sure that you're gonna win.
I will put the face of her and play me 50 cents. Go, shine. It's your birthday. Whoa.
So the punishment is the punishment. Which filter? Which filter?
Filter of it's look like hyena. Yeah.
No way. That's two punishment, bro.
Huh?
If
Filter,
I play the music and if I do the filter,
don't blame me. Don't blame me. Don't blame me. Music.
Yeah, two punishment.
Yes.
Okay, filter.
Yes.
Is it this one?
Yes.
I look cute with this.
Where's the 50 cent?
Oh.
Oh, go, share it. It's your birthday. Whoa. Hey, every time I beat you, you never give up. That's your main problem. Every time you said, I have a strong team, play me. This is my fun is every morning they eat money. Even they don't like foods. They feel ulcer when they eat food. They like to eat money. That's the money, the team I have. Every morning.
Oh my god, this dude.
They eat money. I'm fun. Yellow, I'm fun. طلع بكات كي باري مركي اسبوعين لا سو قرع طلع كنا في ساري اسبوعين.
But I have one question though. I have one question.
Where is the filter?
Let me take this off. No. You put. Why did you take this off?
I win the game. One game. I win the game. One game.
Yeah, but if you won, why the hell should I have filter then? That's two punishment, bro. That's two punishment. Haha. So that means that you cheated, bro. I take this off, and I put on. I don't care about
Wallah.
No way.
Wallah,
you cheated. I swear to God. No, Jack.
I forget to stay.
You cheated.
Sister, I forget.
And I was like, no way.
No.
You damn.
No, I forget. I'm a human being. I'm a human being.
I'm not listening, bro. I'm not listening. You cheated. Now I'm not listening. I should take this off ttwo. Because he cheated. This one is a big cheater. No way. Two punishments. Oh.
We're Somali. No Somali. Yeah. They write you, right?
No, you cheated. I swear. I was thinking, what the fuck? He have nothing on his face. He have nothing else. Nothing. And I have like 3-5 things. No way.
Borneo. Some